Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a LOL themed chip bag. As you can see, I have my images over here. I'm not quite sure exactly what I am going to do, but if we go to Google, they have bright pink designs. They have, black. Of course, you guys know I like the black just because I don't know, it just makes the colors pop more and stand out and it matches everything. So I think what I'm going to do here is put the pink stripes for the back. Yes, I think I'm going to make this the back of the chip bag. Now I'm going to format and I'm going to send back and take this name out. Okay. And for the front, I'm trying to figure out if I want to do this or a solid black. Let's see what this looks like first. Okay, we've got hearts, and for the border, let's see, this is supposed to be like a glitter background. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this for my borders. And then I'm going to format. I'm now going to send that picture all the way, to the back. Okay, so there we go. The bag is starting to come together. But this, I don't like the way the hearts are looking stretched, so I'm going to crop it down. Crop. Okay. And by getting rid of just a little bit, now I have to stretch it this way to fit where I once had it, which means that the hearts are now, they look more, I don't know, they look more like a heart. Shoot. Okay. Now, what do I want to do? Let's put this on the back of here. Okay. They're all so cute. I don't know who to put on. Let's put you. Stretch you a little bit bigger, or a lot bigger. All right, let's get some of your friends. Stretch them. I gotta bring it forward. All right, let's bring her over here. Bring her forward as well. Scoot her over. All right, but right there is good. And these other two, I'm going to go ahead and put them on the back. All right, we can make them a little bit bigger than this. They look so cute. Okay. All right. Now let's go ahead and let's start adding in our words. So I'm gonna go to Insert, Word Art. Let's start with the back. Let's see. calling all dolls. And you know what? I've got a font that would be so perfect for this. I have no idea where it's at. You know what? I'm just going to go with this. What is this? Okay, we're just going to go with this for right now. Alright, and let's put this in, let's say like a bright purple with white outline. This is going to go on the back. Shrink it down just a little bit. Alright, let's insert some more words. Now let's do this. Let's do this that blue color outlined in white. Shrink it down. Shrink it down a little bit more. Alright, that's looking cute. Alright, then on the front, let's say happy birthday, of course. Now let's go back to the purple. Oh! Hold on, son. I'm almost done. Now let's add in a name, of course. Now we can do this on pink. Let's do this on pink. Yeah, I think I'm done. I think that looks cute. I will upload some of the images on my Patreon page, but you know, if you don't want the black, you can go out with the black. You could just leave it like this if you like. Or this was another one that I wasn't sure if I wanted to try, but let's try it. Let's see what it looks like. See? That's cute too. That's really cute. You could also do the same with the pink. Let's see. Oh no, we don't need to do that. We could just go here. We could just click on the image, which is the blue glitter. Go to format, go to recolor, and change it to pink. And that's cute. That's a lot of pink though. So let's maybe change it to the purple. Okay, see, that's cute. That is freaking adorable. So, yeah, you guys. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys.